Hello and welcome to softexpert, and today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a creative portfolio or agency website using WordPress and Elementor. And for that we will be using this Lettery theme, and this is compatible with Elementor, so you can create the website just by drag and drop without any coding. And this is a multi-purpose WordPress theme that you can use for creating an agency website, portfolio website, business website, and so on. And before creating the website, let me give you a quick look of the website that we will be creating in this video so that you can get an idea. So let me just refresh this page to show the incoming animation. You can see please wait loading, and this is the incoming animation. And as usual on the top we have this header where we have a logo, and you can also notice the animations on mouse hover. Okay, then we have all the required pages. So we have 3 layouts for the home page and all other required pages, portfolio pages, blog pages, and contact. Then we have social icons, and this is the main section of the website where we have this huge title and then this description and these arrows. If I scroll down, this is an image, and then we have a slider for the logos in this section where we can display about our website and link to our portfolio and about us page. And this is a multi-layer image, as you can notice. Then we have this section very creative. On the hover you can notice the arrow icon, and you can also notice the description on hover. So 1, 2 and 3, these are just process steps, how you can use this for multi-purpose. Then we have this section where we can display what we do. Then we have team section with this nice layout. Then a video section that you can see play. So if I click here, this will open up a video just like this. And we have a title, so this is basically a call to action section. Then we have this testimonial or review section, basically a slider. You can also notice the mouse is changing while changing the section. And then we have this section, most popular blog, so we have the blog post. Then we have newsletter form and a footer where we have this text, the navigation links, and also the contact and copyright section. So this is one of the demo on the home page. You can explore all these pages by going to link in the description, and you can also open up portfolio pages. Okay, let me show you one of them. And this is the portfolio page where you can see videos and images, and on hover you can notice the icon and also the title and the category. So this is a full page, and you can explore all these pages as well. Now let me show you how you can get this theme and how you can set this up, and then how you can customize it. So to get the theme, you can just go to the link in the description which will take you to this page. Here you can see Lettery Creative Portfolio Agency WordPress theme, and this is the price which is very low, and this is one-time fee. You have to pay this once and then you can use this theme for lifetime. Okay, and you can also learn more about this theme here on this page. As I said, this is Elementor page builder compatible, header and footer with Elementor, project and portfolio, and so on. Now to buy this theme, you can just add this to cart. Then go to checkout, and here you can pay for this theme by using your Visa, MasterCard, PayPal or Skrill, and then click on pay securely, and that's it. This is how you can buy this theme. And once you pay for the theme, you can go to your downloads page, and here you will see that theme. Okay, now to download it, you can click on this download arrow, and here you can only download WordPress files only, or you can download all files and documentation. Okay, just click on it, and after buying the theme you will get a file like this. Okay, let me just open this. And here in this zip file we have licensing, plugins and themes. So we will need to open up the theme folder, and we can upload these 2 files to our theme section in our WordPress dashboard. So let's go there. And now to create any website, the first thing you need is domain and hosting. And domain will be your website name, which will be unique, and after typing your URL, your domain name, people will land on your page. For example, if I open a new tab and I type softexpert.pk, this will take me to my website, and this is because this is my domain name and I have my website here. Another popular example of domain name are google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, and so on. And hosting in simple words is an online storage where your website files will be stored, where you can manage your domain, your databases, file manager, your SSL certificates. You can create domain name emails, and you can also create subdomains, add-on domains, and so on. And there are multiple platforms that provide you domain and hosting. The one I would recommend is hostinger.com, and there is a discount link in the description. Once you go there, it will take you to this page, And here you can get a normal hosting or a WordPress hosting. As we are creating WordPress website, so that's why I'm on WordPress page. And the reason for suggesting this hosting is the pricing. Here you will get a free domain, free website migration, 24-hour support, and so on. And if you want to check the pricing plans, you can scroll down here. And you can see this is the premium one, business and cloud startup. And here you can also notice the pricing. Here on the first plan you can host up to 100 websites. You will get this amount of storage, weekly backups, and so on. And on this plan you can also host 100 websites. This is better in speed. We have 200 GB of NVMe storage, a daily backup, free emails, unlimited SSL, and so on. You can check these features and you can select the plan that you need. And most cases this will be fine for you. You can just add this to cart, or if you need this one you can add this to cart. And it will take you to the cart page where you can see you are almost there, complete your order. And here you can see the summary of your plan. You can scroll down. You can buy this hosting for 1 month, 12, 24 or 48 months. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Here you can see you can save up to 432 USD. And you can scroll down. You can create a free account here, or you can sign up using your Facebook or Google. And then you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and so on. And you can see in just 143 you will get a free domain and this hosting for 4 years. Okay. One more thing is, if you are from Pakistan, the link in the description will take you to hostinger.pk, and you can again see the pricing in rupees, and you can add any to cart. And you can see the pricing is just 859 rupees. And it also includes 1 year free domain. This is for 4 years, which is a good deal. And the next thing is you can also pay with EasyPay, JazzCash and HBL from Pakistan. Also the Alpha wallet is there. So you can follow the link in the description and you can get a domain name and hosting. And after buying a domain and hosting, you will get a dashboard like this. This is the domain name and this is my hosting plan. You can see business with hosting. Okay. And now let's see how we can install WordPress on our domain. If I visit this domain, there is nothing. You are all set to go. Now we just need to install WordPress here. Okay. Let's go back. And to install WordPress, you can go to website and here you will see WordPress. If you don't see here, you can go to auto installer and you will find WordPress there. Just click on it. And here you can detect WordPress on your domain name. I know that there is no WordPress installed in this domain, so I can just click on install WordPress. And this will open up a pop-up where you can write your website title, for example. And here you can write admin email and username and password for your WordPress dashboard. Okay. And that's it. Just click next. And here you can choose the WordPress version. This is the latest one, which is fine. You can also select your website language. These are fine. And here you can select update to minor version and then click install. And that's it. This is how you can install WordPress on your domain. And now you will see a different dashboard. Here you can see. Now we can edit our website. We have this plugin installed. And we also have the WordPress latest version, the PHP version, and the daily backup is enabled. Now to go to your WordPress dashboard, you can just click on edit website. And this is the WordPress dashboard where we can install themes and plugins and we can start creating the website. Now I am inside WordPress dashboard where we can start installing the theme. I'll go to appearance and themes. We don't have any theme here. Okay, so let's click on add new and I'll click upload theme. And under that folder we will go to theme. This is the main theme and this is the child theme. Okay, we will upload the main theme. We'll install now. Now you can go ahead and activate this theme, but if you want to use the child theme, which is a best practice to keep a child theme, and even if you make changes to the code files, if you add your custom CSS, that will remain even after theme update. Okay, so you can go back to themes, again add new and upload theme, and this time we will choose that child theme. Now our parent theme is already installed, so we can go ahead and activate this one. And that's it. This is how you can upload the theme. Now you can see, please install and activate the following plugins to get all the features of this theme. Okay, so just click on install and activate and you will see a number of plugins that you will need to install to use all the features of this theme. Okay, so just select all, choose install here and click apply, and all plugins installed. As you can see, now you can go back to plugin installer and select all and choose activate and apply, and it took us to the Elementor page builder. Now you can connect your Elementor with your free Elementor account to use some advanced features like Elementor AI and AI image generator, but let's leave that for now and let's close this. And here you will see another notice. Please activate Lettery theme to unlock all features, premium plugins, demo content, and receive theme updates automatically. Okay, so you will need to activate this theme, and for that you will need the purchase code of your theme. Okay, so let's click on activate now. and here we will enter the purchase code and our email, and then we'll click submit. And now to get your purchase code, you can just go to your downloads page again and Elementor mark it, and then in the front of that theme just click on this download again, and here you will see license purchase code. You can download it in text format or PDF format. Okay, I'll download this in PDF. This will give me a PDF file. Let's open it, and this is the license. Okay, regular license. This is the item title, which is our theme name, and this is the purchase code. Okay, we will just need to copy it. Let's go back. We'll paste the purchase code here, and then we'll click submit, and that's it. Lettery theme is successfully activated, and the status is now activated. And let's also try activating this plugin. Okay, and we'll click install, apply, and this will only be accessible after you activate the theme. Okay, and that is why it was giving error previously. Now this is also giving error, but let's leave this. And once you activate all the plugins in the theme, you will see all the extra options that are available from the theme and the plugins. But still, if I visit the website, we only have that loader, but we don't have anything else. We just have this hello world post. Okay, so let's see how we can get all this data with a few clicks. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. And now to import the demo content, you can go to appearance, and here you will see import demo data. Just click on it, and you will see the theme demo content, and you will see this import demo data. Just click on it, and you can select all these plugins if you need it, but if you don't need, you can leave these and click on continue and import, and this will start importing the content. This will be dependent on your internet speed. Let's wait for this, and as you see, import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. Okay, now let's visit the website to check it. Loading, and we got all the content along with the logo with all the pages, and we have all the content. And with the video section and so on. Now if you want to customize any page, you can edit that page with Elementor. Let me quickly show you. If I click this edit with Elementor on home page, this will edit this home page. Okay, and now we can start editing the content. Okay, this is the first section, and here I can change this text, and I can change this text, and so on. Okay, same goes for this content. If I click it, I can change the title, the subtitle here, and I can also change the text here. This is just Elementor page builder. Okay, and same goes for this section. If I click it, I can open up any of these, and here I can change the icon, the one which is this, the number, and the title and description. Okay, I can't cover everything in this short video. This was just to give you an idea about the theme and then how you can install and activate it. If you want to learn more about Elementor page builder and how you can customize this website, just visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce. And still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.